In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IntelliJ's command line launcher. That way you can create a new app and launch it from the IDE to IntelliJ. For this demo, I'll be using a Mac. I'm here in IntelliJ. You go up to Tools and you do Create Command Line Launcher. It's going to give you a pop-up to say Configure Command Line Launcher, and it's going to tell you what you need to add. You need to add a path variable pointing to this location. So we're going to go ahead and copy this location. And we're going to open up a terminal. Now that we're in the terminal, let's first test the IDEA command. IDEA, and we're going to get this command not found. So let's add the path variable. I'm going to paste this in here. So there's the export path, that file destination they gave us with the $ path on it. I'm going to hit enter. And then we're also going to run this. Source for RZSHRC. So I'm using ZSH for the Mac, and the RC is run command. So what this is pretty much doing is updating the run commands without having to close out the terminal and reopen it. And, so you can see the full window. We're going to run the IDEA, and this is actually going to pop up our IntelliJ. So you can see my IntelliJ has opened up now. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to CD into code, and then I'm going to CD into this to do test. All right, this is the test app that I was making, and we're going to do, again, IDEA space period, and this will open up a new IntelliJ window with that code base. So there you go. Now you're able to create new applications through the command line and open it straight into IntelliJ. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe and follow along for more videos.